Hello and welcome everyone. I'm Marit Lomlaars from the Netherlands, and this year I participated the NF Academy in Lisbon, and I did that along with Geertje, Anke and Christian. And in this presentation we will tell you something about the NF Academy, and we will explain what the NF Academy is, share our experience, and tell you something about how we can use our experience to help our organization in the Netherlands. The NF Academy is an educational program for young patients or siblings of patients with NF or schwannomatosis. And during 1 week, various doctors and researchers provide lessons about NF and schwannomatosis. And the week is also focused on self-discovery and coping with NF. The week is organized by the NFPU and the local organization from the country where the academy takes place. And after 1 week about learning about NF, all participants can call themselves NF ambassadors. And the intention is that after the academy, all patients will get involved in their own country and help their local organizations.
From Friday to Friday, we had various lessons about NF from doctors and researchers. We attended lectures and also received a tour in a laboratory, which was very interesting. We will take you through a brief overview of the week. A mental health and psychological dimension is also a very important topic for NF. The first part of the academy began in São Domingos de Rana, just outside Lisbon. The goal of the first 2 days was to get to know each other, and this was certainly achieved. Under the guidance of psychologists, we participated in various exercises that also involved a lot of discussions about our own experiences with NF. Sharing our experiences with NF helped us quickly connect and become a very close group. The activities were organized by 3 psychologists, and through workshop we have learned ways to deal with emotions and thoughts. The first assignment was to express a superpower through a Polaroid photo, and other participants had to guess what it was. We also created a playlist with songs that made us happy. We had to choose songs that made us happy, and we shared this playlist throughout the week. While some of the group participated in a creative assignment, the other half did a meditation session. After that, we shared our experiences.
Day at the university. Tuesday was a day we all looked forward to. We were welcomed at the University of Lisbon. It was very educational to see the labs and hear more about how NF works in your body. If you want to do something for people with NF, you have to be able to reach them, which is why social media training was also on the program. We learned more about how you can use the different social media platforms for different audiences. The do's and don'ts were also presented. Social media is an important tool to create awareness for NF.
On the last full day election, Firma came to visit us, and they told us more about medical studies and patient involvement in clinical trials. And Friday was our last day, and we really became a family during the week. And now Christian will tell something about what we have learned.
So during the NF Academy we learned many things. It is too much and too complex to tell you all of this information during this presentation with you. We think a really nice part was to know how a disease works. So I will show this information with you as well, and I will try to keep it as possible. I will try to keep it simple as possible. The nucleus of our cell kern, the nucleus of our cells contains DNA. In the DNA is all information written that your body needs to function. The DNA is separated over chromosomes, and chromosomes contain genes, and genes are built up out of nucleotides. Genes are like a recipe for a special gene, for a special protein, and the nucleotides are like the ingredients. The proteins tells your body, for example, which kinds of color eyes or hair it has, but also tells your body what kind of process needs to be done. Most of the times, those proteins work like a light switch. They turn on or off a process in your body. Everyone has small mistakes, mutations in our DNA. Most of the time there is no problem with that, but sometimes a mutation can change the recipe for the protein that much that there is a whole other protein, an imperfect protein, or also no protein. For cell duplication you need several proteins. Two important ones are neurofibromine and Res. Res plays a role during the cell duplication, and neurofibromine works like a light switch. If neurofibromine is connected with Res, there is no cell duplication. If there is neurofibromine on Res, the cell duplication is on. By the disease NF1, there is a mistake in the NFG1 gene. Because of this mutation, neurofibromine will get an imperfect shape and cannot interact with Res perfectly. So Res and the cell duplication will stand on and a tumor can grow.
What's next? Since we finished the NF Academy, we can now call ourselves NF ambassadors and patient advocates. Our goal is to organize youth activities which are suitable for everyone. We believe it is important to share our experience and spread awareness about NF. The first thing we did was write an article for our organization's magazine. Since we got a social media class at the Academy, we would like to help with the input for the social media pages, to hopefully create a larger range and spread even more awareness. And once again, we would like to thank the sponsors for making the NF Academy possible. Horizon, Election and Springworks, and of course the NFPU and the APNF.